So whether you feel fear or not is irrelevant. It comes down to what you do on the other side of that. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's rising up in the face of it, according to Mark Twain. And so if we can all do that and have the courage to act, even in the face of fear, then you can do something extraordinary with your life. And that's it. That is what people hunger for. They want to do something. They want their time on this earth to be felt. They want to echo. They want to have mattered. But you're never going to be able to do that unless you can first overcome fear. But that ultimately is in your control. So take advantage of that. Push yourself, develop, force yourself to become that vision of who you know you can become. And if that demands overcoming fear, then overcome it.